Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish, most wearing, most demanding, beautiful baby crochet sweater designs, trendy and beautiful designs for your sweet babies. You can see in this my video. Baby crochet sweaters. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of baby crochet sweater designs. New and trendy patterns you can see in this my video. Latest fashion ideas for sweet babies you can see in this my video. You can easily make these very beautiful sweaters if you know crochet work. Stylish color combination contrasts you can see also. Every design is different one another, beautiful and trendy crochet baby sweater patterns. If you want to buy these very beautiful baby crochet sweaters, then I will tell you some websites named like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsy.com and Amazon. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video in my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of baby crochet sweater designs, stylish sweaters? So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.